Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to find your Cash App card if you lost it. So if you have lost your Cash App card, you have to immediately report to the Cash App support system that you have lost your Cash App card, so that they can immediately freeze your card to help you prevent any misuse from your card. So in order to report the complaint that about the your lost Cash App card, so simply open your Cash App, and here just click on the profile icon at the top right corner of your mobile screen, and now just scroll down a bit and click on support, and here just click on something else, and now in something else just click on Cash Card. Just scroll down and now here just click on issues with Cash App card, and here on this page you will see that there are so many related problems that you can report to. You can see that trouble signing up, report lost or stolen card. Since you have lost your Cash App card, just simply click on report lost and stolen card, and here you will see that once your card has been reported as lost or stolen, the Cash App will immediately disable the card to protect your account. So just scroll down and just go ahead and report lost and stolen card. Just click on it, and now on this support page just click on report your cash card, and here you will see that the Cash App asks you that what happened to your card. You just simply have to select from the options whether your card is missing, your card is stolen or compromised, or your card is damaged. Since your card is lost, just click on this card stolen and compromised, and here you have to click the type of card that you have. Just click on it and report about your stolen card. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to like it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos,
and I'll see you the next time.